You may be familiar with Manus, which is an AI agent, but did you know it has a creative side? You can create images as well as video. The question is, how good is it? We're going to test it out. Hey, my name is Rosh, and I am the co-host of the Creative AI Show, and in this video, we're talking about Manus and the creative side of Manus. As we know, with Manus, we can ask it to do tasks for us online and so forth. And that's what AI agents will do for us in the future. The basics, simple work. But there are some additional features that can help us within our work. And one of them is to create images and video. So let's see how good it is. First thing we do is head on over to, well, easy enough, Create. Click on Create, and we have 4 options here at the time. We can create slides, which can be very helpful. That's worthy of a video in itself. Image, video, and web page. That's another video I think that should be coming up, because for many of us, creating a web page could be very helpful. Let's start off with an image. So we'll start off with one of our standards so we can compare to other videos. And that's why we do the same type of prompt over and over again, so we can compare apples to apples, so we can see how these different platforms progress and which one is better than another. And I've done this type of variation a number of times. When we do the video, we'll do a husky running through a daisy field. But first, let's check out the image. Okay, here we go, and let's take a look. Oh, that's pretty good. A model, looks like a model, kind of a model walking down the street. Well done. I mean, red dress, blue gloves, and it provides a PNG file, which you can download right here. So now my question is, can we just say bring it to life? We'll create a video in a moment, but this is a good question. Bring image to life as a video. A lot of times I say bring image to life just in general, where I know the platforms may react, but I think this may need a little more prompting, so I'm giving it a little more context. I'll create it. Okay, it says it's going to do it. Oh. So we got this message, and it'll continue after we answer it. The default model costs 60 credits, but it has VO3, which is 10 times as much at 600 credits. Let's do it. Let's continue with VO3, although I am curious to what the default model is. Okay, here we go, and let's take a look. Oh, all right. So that was not what I was hoping for, but obviously I didn't change. Oh, there we go. Oh, but that's not very good quality on the face. So I probably should have kept it a vertical, obviously. And okay, now we're coming up good. And well, I'm gonna give it an okay, but I didn't respond to the question properly in terms of, do I want it horizontal or vertical? So this is why we got the horizontal, I assume. Let's just go straight up to a video. Let's start with a new task. Go to Create, Video, Husky running through a daisy field. Okay, husky running through a daisy field. Manus is typing back. I'll join her. Okay, here we go. Let's use the default model and compare it with the VO3 just to see if it is actually worth it. Here we go. Not too bad. The husky is in slow motion, high contrast, but not a bad overall video clip. I think, well, I want to see what the VO does. Okay, exact same prompt. Probably ask me if I want to use VO. Let's use VO3. Here is VO3, and yeah, much more natural. You can hear the sound. A little bit longer, I think. How long is it? I'm not saying. I'm assuming maybe 8 seconds. But you can now see the difference between the two. Feel free to rewind and take a look at the other one and see the difference. Now let's really challenge the VO in the Manus AI. I'm going to create video, and this is a much more complex prompt that I generated alongside ChatGPT. I'm sure you could have developed the prompt with Manus, but I was letting the video render while I worked on this prompt. So here it is. Pause to read. See how it goes. And yes, let's continue with VO3. Okay, we've got it. Let's take a look. Okay, now, of course, the question is, what does that say? Okay, what does that say?
Sure. The characters on the screen appear to say something like Ji Fan Yin, which can be roughly translated to collect and distribute or something along those lines. Let me know if that helps or if you need anything else.
Okay, well, at least that's what ChatGPT says that means. So we'll continue on and hopefully it's not something bad. So I think Manus did a good job with that prompt. It's using different tools at its disposal, and it'll ask you if you prefer one tool over another. And we use the default video generator and VO3. It can create really good, straightforward images, as we saw with the model. And then, of course, it can bring your images to life. I am sure there's a lot more that it can do, which we should probably explore, because as an AI agent, it will go out into the world or the internet world to help with this process and your projects. For example, you could probably ask it to download, and maybe if you gave it access, maybe upload somewhere. So these are the kinds of things. It's more than just the creation. It's that the AI agent can do more with the things you're creating here because it has access to more tools. Let me know how you are using Manus creatively. If you want to hear more about AI for the creative, check out the Creative AI Show. It's every Monday on this YouTube channel and, of course, your favorite podcast location. I'll see you in the next video.